DIY eye test. Check your vision at home with this simple method. Are you experiencing blurry vision, eye strain, or headaches? It might be time for an eye exam. While this DIY test isn't a replacement for a professional eye exam, it can give you a general idea of your vision health, what you'll need. A Snellen eye chart. You can find one online and print it out. A ruler or measuring tape. A well-lit room with a consistent light source. How to perform the test. Print the Snellen eye chart. Ensure the chart is clear and legible. Set up the chart. Place the chart at a distance of 20 feet or the specified distance on the chart. Cover one eye. Use your hand to cover one eye while testing the other. Read the chart. Start at the top and read the lines of letters aloud, moving down until you can no longer read them clearly. Repeat. Test the other eye in the same way, interpreting your results. Compare your results to the standard vision chart. If you're unable to read lines that you should be able to see, it's time to schedule a comprehensive eye exam with an optometrist. Additional tips. Regular eye exams. Even if your vision seems fine, it's essential to get regular eye exams to detect any underlying issues. Protect your eyes. Wear sunglasses with UV protection and avoid excessive screen time. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly can contribute to overall eye health. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now to transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. Remember, this DIY eye test is a basic screening tool. It's crucial to consult an eye care professional for a thorough evaluation of your vision health. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one.